Coffee? Water?
Hi there, I'm Ashley Yule, back with the HHHunt News and Happenings highlights from March 2022. Let's get started with a special message from Brian Tolan, Project Manager for Mosaic at West Creek. He's on site with the latest community updates. Take it away, Brian.
We're finishing our state-of-the-art bark park, which offers 2 fenced-in play areas, agility equipment, and water stations. This is not only a great place for your pups, but is a perfect place for meeting, socializing with your neighbors. As you can see right behind me, the connection at Mosaic is under construction. This thoughtfully designed clubhouse will offer multi-purpose gathering rooms, a fitness center, resort-style pool, and so much more. Outside, in addition to the pool, you will find sun decks, a grilling station, and pickleball courts. As you can see, a lot is happening here at Mosaic, and we are excited to keep the momentum going.
Thank you for that update. What a beautiful community. It's exciting to see how far this community has come. A few years ago, we started to see a shift in our customers' desire for low maintenance living. And that's why we decided to develop and build in Mosaic at West Creek. In fact, we have quite a few low maintenance offerings from our development team, HHHunt Communities. In addition to Mosaic at West Creek, we also have Westcott, which is down the road in Midlothian. This one-of-a-kind community offers modern townhomes and condos. We also are putting final touches on Enclave at Leesville, which offers homeowners single-family homes in the highly desirable Raleigh-Durham area of North Carolina. In addition to low-maintenance living, thoughtfully designed home choices, and great locations, each community has unique amenities designed just for them. You can check out these communities and more at hhhuntcommunities.com. Our homes team builds both low-maintenance condos and townhomes. We've seen an uptick in the demand for condo living in our markets and are excited to be working on 3 separate condominium projects. We have 2 in the Richmond area, the Point at Twin Hickory and Westcott, and 1 in Williamsburg called Quarter Path. Quarter Path's model home is almost complete, and we're looking forward to a grand opening in the near future. Next month, we'll be catching up with Pat McCarthy of HHHunt Homes as he shares the process that goes into the design of our condo floor plans. Subscribe to HHHunt News and Happenings so you don't miss that story. If you are looking for a low-maintenance lifestyle and wanting to rent, well, HHHunt offers flexible leasing options in incredible apartment home communities in Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, and South Carolina. We currently manage over 8,000 apartment homes with 4 brand new communities under construction and more in development. All these amazing communities are waiting to be explored at hhhuntapartmentliving.com. In more apartment living news, HHHunt just recognized our top team members and communities at the recent annual Apartment Living Awards celebration. Congratulations to our winners and to all our team members for continuing to embody our How You Live philosophy. A full list of these winners can be found in our press center at blog.hhhunt.com. We're almost done with the March highlights, but before I go, I want to tell you about our brand new News and Happenings page. Check it out at blog.hhhunt.com. What can you do here? I'm glad you asked. You can sign up for monthly updates, check out How You Live stories, or visit relevant content. Well, all good things must come to an end. I'm Ashley Yule, and that is the news. See you next time, and until then, remember, at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.